Hello everyone, this is Fariba from watchknitting.com. Today in this video I will be showing how to make this beautiful uh, lace pattern. The pattern will be stitches, multiple of 7 stitches plus 2 stitches for the edge and repeat of 2 rows. It's super easy, you just need to repeat the same thing over and over to make this pattern. Also, I find it's nicer in the fine yarn. This one is fine yarn number 3 or maybe 2, I'm not sure. And with needle size 2.5. But here I will be using medium size yarn with number 6 needles. I cast on 23 stitches here. I'm gonna remove one of the needles and start my pattern. So the first row will be knit to purl 5 stitches. I'm gonna go fast for this row because it doesn't have any special thing to mention. Just do knit to purl 5 stitches. Okay, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, knit 2, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and end with knit 2 stitches. In row 2, which will be right side, we started from the wrong side of the pattern. I usually slip the first stitch, but if you don't want to slip it, you can just purl it, because the pattern will be purled with stitches. Then you have 5 stitches here, which are knit stitches. You're gonna knit 2 together, do 1 yarn over, knit the middle one, do another yarn over here, and knit 2 together. So I'm gonna go ahead and show it. So we did just 2 purls. Now I'm gonna do knit 2 together. For knit 2 together, I'm gonna insert tip of my needle from the left side, which I find it a little difficult because it's a little tight. And I'm gonna do my knit stitch. It's easier with fine yarn, but for doing this tutorial I prefer to use a little thicker one. So I did knit 2 together, then I'm gonna yarn over, knit this middle stitch, middle of the 5 knit stitches, then do 1 more yarn over, and this knit 2 together. For this knit 2 together, which are the second pair, will be knit 2 together from the right side. It means I'm gonna insert tip of my needle from right side and knit it. Then I have 2 purls. I'm gonna do purl stitches. Again, we're gonna repeat the same thing we did for this part. So we're gonna knit 2 together from left side, use your fingertips to do your knit together, and then yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together from the right side, then 2 purls. I find doing a knit stitch from the back loop or from the right side, but some people do it from the left side. Both are correct and doesn't change the pattern for many stitches. Just sometimes you need to be careful and follow the exact tips for doing the stitches. Like this one, you have to insert this needle from the left side to make the pattern. So knit two together, yarn over, knit one, yarn over, and knit two together again, and finish with last 2 purl stitches. We complete the row 1 and row 2, and we almost done with the patterns. I'm gonna repeat it one more time just to show it. So I'm gonna repeat row 1, knit 2, purl 5, and last knit stitches. So I'm gonna repeat row 2 again just to give you a better understanding of our pattern. So slip the first stitch, purl 1, or you can do 2 purls here. Again we have this 5 stitches here. What we're gonna do with them, we're gonna knit these 2 together, yeah, knit 2 together. I'm gonna do 1 yarn over here, knit 1, and do another yarn over just right after that. Knit 1, yarn over, and these 2 knit 2 together. So as you see, this is what we are getting as we go further. Then 2 purl stitches between patterns. Again, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, oops, and knit 2 together again. Purl 2 stitches, repeat, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together, and purl 2 stitches. As you see, we are getting our pattern little by little. And this will be I have the pattern I did with this yarn, so it's exactly the same one. This is with this yarn, and have been done couple of rows. As you see, this one is also very beautiful and a very good stitch for doing different kind of patterns. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, please put your comment below the tutorial video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share if you like to share with your friends. Have a lovely day and enjoy the rest of your day.